Okay, bike check. Starting off with the frame, I have the Harrow 2010. Pretty good frame. Never had a problem with it. Going to the forks, I have the Sunday morning forks. They're pretty sick forks. I love them. The Harrow stem, pretty good. The Harrow bars, I don't know what rise and width they are, but I'll have another video and I'll tell you at the last of it. Eastern grips with the ODI bar ends, or ODI, sorry. This one's ripped. My Harrow seat clamp. My Odyssey Mike Aiken seat. Railed. Rainbow KMC chain. Harrow sprocket. Harrow 3-piece cranks. Animal pedals. Pretty good. Back rim is a Harrow with what kind of hub? Lando hub. Odyssey back tire, the Aaron Ross one. It's pretty good. I love it. Think that covers my bike. See ya.